AI image generator. There are many of them on the internet, but this one is entirely different. It's called Recraft AI. Unlike other image generators, of course, it can generate high quality images. Still, the additional feature that this tool is having is that you can not only create images, but you can also generate vectors in SVG format, illustrations, icons, and even 3D images. Apart from that, you can vectorize images, remove background from images, edit vectors, apply your color scheme, and repaint the region inside the project itself. As far as today, this AI tool is completely free. Let's head over to Recraft AI website. You can find the link in the description below. It says resolution doesn't matter, it's SVG. It gives you perfect vectors as well as precise color palettes and much more. Once you're there, go ahead and sign up for an account. Now create a new project, and this is where the magic happens. Here you can create a style from vector art, illustrations, icon, pictogram, 3D illustration, photorealism and background. First, let's create vector art. You can type your prompt here and click on Recraft. Within a few seconds, the image gets created. You can choose the image that you want. Now if you wanna export this, you can select SVG and then download it, as this is a vector file. You can even edit your vector by changing the layer colors, which can't be done in other AI tools. You can even repaint the regions in the image or the vector and it will repaint it. Also repaint the subscribe button below this video if you wish. Recraft can even create cartoon images or unreal characters, and that is also in SVG format. It can create illustrations, and that also very high quality of illustrations. This illustration can be vectorized in the project itself. Next, we can also create icons. It gives you 4 different icons to choose from. It can also be downloaded as SVG. We can even create 3D images in JPEG and PNG formats. And here is the 3D render image of a tiger. We can even remove its background. Not only remove, but it can also create backgrounds. Type your prompt and you will get amazing patterns and backgrounds. So that's it for this video.